This is going to be an in-depth guide on how to use and operate the drill press. The first thing we'll need to understand about it is proper protection. This is a very simple machine and doesn't have a whole lot that can go wrong with it. So mostly just wear gloves when operating, and also obviously safety glasses. So special equipment is really required. It's very simple. Just safety-wise, don't put a lot of pressure on the drill bit on the end of it, because it can shatter, and that would not be very good. So the first thing we should note about the drill press is it has different functions on ways it can move and positions it can get into. Obviously, the drill press is used to drill holes in different material, whether it be wood or metal. The first thing you'll notice is this crank over here, which will, if you can see, adjust the height of the table, either up or down. And the table can also move either side, depending on where you want to, you have your clamp at. The side over here is a thing that can tighten and loosen if the table can move or not. The clamp on here does not come with the drill press, but can be moved by these nuts and bolts over here. They can be taken off and moved to position however you like. But obviously, vice grip, you should know how that works. That is to use the clamp whatever you want in there. In terms of operating, there is a switch right here that is on or off, and then on this machine it's the green button. And they're both relatively the same. They have a few little differences, but main operation, when the drill bit is spinning, obviously don't touch it. To shut it off, you push this back in. Same thing over there, red button. And to operate it, depending on the material, you either want to gently or just normal pace push down, and it will drill into the metal as far as you need it. As far as maintenance and changing goes, I said about changing the vice grips, but there is also a way to change the drill bit in case you want a different size drill bit. On most machines, this chain is connected and has this key that tightens and loosens the chuck on the top of this. This one has it on, this one does not, so we have a little portable one. And to do this, you want to take the end of this and put it in one of the holes with the grooves of the gear fitting into this part, and you want to turn it the way that it loosens, which usually is towards you, and that will loosen this chuck right here. And if you can see, it works like a normal drill, where it'll tighten and loosen the more I turn it. And we can take this drill bit, put it back, always put the drill bits back. And you can take another one, change it out, loosen this up to the desired radius. As soon as that's nice and good in there, nice distance away, you may turn it the other way, because I'm dumb. You turn it that way until it's tight enough that you can't turn it with your hand, but then as soon as you're tight enough to turn it with your hand, that is not stable in there. You want to take the key and turn it the other way to tighten it even more, and once you can't tighten it with the key anymore, then that's nice and secure. That's not going to come out of there. That'll be nice and safe to work with and operate the drill press. Same thing goes for over here. Only one with this one is this is not, usually this one is not affixed to the actual table itself. It can be, but currently the only bolts we have are on this one, and they're usually affixed to this one. So there are more vice grips down here. I'm not sure if there are any other bolts, but there might be somewhere. But usually for this one, you just kind of have to be really careful and not let it spin out. This brush, I want to clean it off most of the time. Someone did not clean this off last time, which is not good. You want to clean it off for the next person, and the materials you can use will end up being either wood or metal. And with wood, you just got to be very careful you don't start a fire and you don't go too fast. It'll start smoking. If you see it smoking, stop, pull off. If you're going down in, just give it a little bit, let it cool off a bit. If it's metal, you want to always use lubricant, which is usually in one of these containers, which is just usually a oil, like motor oil or something, and you want to put it directly onto the hole of the metal, or where you're going to drill the hole, and that'll keep it nice and cool. I would not recommend doing it with wood, because that'll make your wood all wet and disgusting.